If you own or work at a dealership, this is how you can increase your sales up to 30% with simply adding video content and leveraging social media. According to a Google study of nearly 1,000 dealerships, car dealers that use video see a 30% increase in online sales, and 75% of the car buyers are influenced by video. This means that by generating video content, you can increase your sales significantly. But this is not all. According to a National Automobile Dealers Association study, social media can account for up to 20% of a car dealership sale. And another study by Dealer Answer shows social media accounts for up to 15% of website traffic for auto dealerships. So basically, by simply generating video content of your car and posting them to social media, you can potentially add more than 30% to your sale. But here is a problem. As a dealership, you have a lot of responsibilities, and it can be difficult to find the time and resources to generate all the videos and photos, and on top of that, post them to social media. That's where we come in. Our team at Glow3D.com have utilized the latest advancements in AI, image processing, and natural language models such as ChatGPT to automate the content creation and distribution process at a fraction of the cost. This is an all-in-one platform that can help you easily scale your online presence and compete with larger players without increasing your ad budget or hiring additional staff, and do it all at a fraction of the cost. With our platform, you can replace the need for professional photographers, complicated studios, physical turntables, and social media managers with a simple all-in-one software solution. Here is how it works. Using our advanced do-it-yourself mobile app, you can scan the VIN number and take a few shots of the car. Our AI algorithm then automatically removes the background, generates a video, and posts a car listing to your website, inventory management, social media accounts, such as Facebook Marketplace, Google, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube without any extra effort from you. The capture process that takes less than 5 minutes will automatically trigger a chain of content creation and content distribution that are all linked back to your website. Customers can then call you, book a test drive, or get directions to your dealership. For a limited time, we are offering a 99% discount on your first month subscription, so you can experience our software firsthand. If you're interested in learning more, please use the link below to book a meeting with me, Sean, the co-founder of Glow3D.com. During the meeting, I will go over the promotion and answer any additional questions you might have. Thank you for considering Glow3D as a partner to generate more leads.